Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation, powered by the 3-liter turbocharged Duramax diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated trailer braking system and dual USB ports, dual glove boxes. We have our heated cloth seats up front, as well as our center console here. It does have lots of storage, but does double as that 6th seat. The 40-20-40 split 6-passenger crew cab Sierra. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra X31 off-road package, 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Bridgestone Dueler AT tires. Color matched door handles with keyless entry, elevation on the front door, Duramax turbo diesel plaque on the front fender. Coming to the front of the truck, color matched front bumper grille. As well, we have LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, recovery hooks, color matched bumper. Making our way to the back, keyless entry all around, rear tinted privacy windows and remote start. At the back of the truck, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM Multi-Pro tailgate. Jumping into the interior of the Sierra, we have the cloth 60-40 split. Both end seats here have in-seat storage, car seat ready, solid rear window with defrost, and a solid roof over top. Dual USB ports in the back of that center console as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra Elevation. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.